Okay, hello everyone. It's sunny. Where's my key? Okay. Hello everyone. It's a sunny Monday today, and yeah, it's a day to relax. It's still windy though. There's a lot of hay fever around, so everybody just be careful out there, because you know how hay fever is. Like when I was new here, I thought hay fever is just like, yeah, you just nothing. But now when I tried it, man, my eyes were yeah, irritated. Everything was shit. My throat was bad. So yeah, hay fever is not a joke. I hate my glasses. It just reflects. Anyway, I'm heading to Bunnings right now. I'm gonna get some stuffs to finish my project. Hopefully, when all the stuffs that I've ordered on eBay would come, I would have my streaming setup project done. So that's what I'm excited about. Anyway, gotta go. Good morning. It's around noon now. Good noon, guys. Freaking asthma storm had a lot of dust on it. Like my car's like fucking, yeah, so dirty. Yeah, look at that. The wind last night was bringing out all those dust, and then the rain just, yeah. So back home we have Ace Hardware and True Value, but here we have Bunnings. Oh, it's blown out. It's blown out. It's blown out. That's it. So yeah, we have that one here. Anyway, I'm getting some stuffs now. I don't know if you can hear me, but yeah. Hey guys, so I'm in Westfield right now, and I just got some sushi for food later, and I got some matting for my panels that I'm building on my project. At the same time, went to Bunnings also to buy some little stuff that I need, some screws, bolts, and everything. Hope I can finish my project this week. And yeah, so this is really crappy lighting. Yeah, so I need to go home now and do some stuff at home. So yeah, one thing I noticed is that it's kind of annoying. People are putting on masks and their nose are out, or some of them just walking without masks, but some of them are walking, putting a mask on, but it's on their mouth. It's like, yeah, their nose are out. And what's more annoying is that they have nice pointed pointed nose. And as for me, I have my blown out philo nose, which is so big. And okay, I'm just jealous. Okay, goodbye. Yeah, one thing here is that you have to make people cross when they are in the pedestrian lane, unlike in the Philippines. Really nice weather today, and my hair is like shit. It's always been shit. I'm gonna need to have it cut because we have a new booking coming on December. So yeah, need to get a haircut soon. Really love the weather today. Out and about the Laura right now, and we're on a we're just walking around, and we found this track, and the nicest, it's a reserve or a quarry. I think it's a quarry, and yes, there is water. There's water. Nice. And the track's good. I thought they were just socks, but they're birds actually. Look at those. Nice walk at the beach.
Do you know how much he was getting paid? $4 in prison money. So you can then use that money to buy.
Like it's
Good day, guys. It's kind of hot in the city right now, and I'm going out. I'm just gonna frolic around and see how it goes. So yeah, come join me. Hey guys, happy to announce today's a no mask day outside, so it's very good. Announcement as of yesterday, November 22, that yeah, we're not I don't know, My mind just drifted. We're not required to put on a mask unless we're indoors. So it's a good day today, but we're just at home. I'm not feeling well. Good day, guys. Whoa. Hello, guys. So, forgot my shit.